The Einstein Cross anomaly. What if I told you that right now, in the deep darkness of the cosmos, there exists a single point of light so powerful, so ancient, and so unbelievably bright that gravity itself twists it into 4 perfect copies just so we can see it? A cosmic illusion. A gravitational magic trick predicted by Einstein and discovered billions of years after the light first left its source. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-bending objects ever found, the Einstein Cross. But before we begin, ask yourself, how can gravity bend light, something with no mass? Why are we seeing 4 identical versions of the same object at once? Does this strange illusion hint at the hidden structure of dark matter? And what does it tell us about the shape and fate of our universe? By the time we reach the end, every one of these questions will make perfect sense, and your understanding of reality might never be the same again. The light that shouldn't exist. Somewhere in the universe, far beyond the reach of any telescope until just recently, lies a quasar. Not a star, not a planet, but the blazing heart of a distant galaxy, powered by a supermassive black hole, billions of times more massive than our sun. This quasar, known as Q2237+030, is so bright it outshines thousands of galaxies combined. Its light began traveling long before Earth existed, and yet, it doesn't arrive in a straight line. Not even close. Between us and that distant quasar sits another galaxy, a massive, dense spiral galaxy, perfectly positioned like a cosmic lens. When the quasar's ancient light passes through this foreground galaxy, reality bends. Literally. Einstein predicted this phenomenon over a century ago. Gravitational lensing. And the Einstein Cross is one of the clearest, most stunning examples in the entire universe. Einstein's impossible ideas come true. Picture space not as empty air, but as a stretchable fabric. A fabric that bends, curves, and warps under the weight of massive objects. Einstein's theory of general relativity turned the world upside down when he proposed it. He said gravity wasn't a force pulling things together, it was simply the shape of space-time. Massive objects create dents in the fabric of the universe, and light, like everything else, must follow those curves. So when the quasar's light approaches that foreground galaxy, the galaxy's gravity bends the light around it. Just like a magnifying glass bends rays of light, a galaxy bends light from the deep universe. But something even stranger happens here. The alignment is so perfect, so precise, so unbelievably exact, that the quasar's light gets split into 4 identical images surrounding the galaxy. 4 copies, 1 object, a cosmic cross. The Einstein Cross. Not a symbol, not a design. A natural structure formed by warped space-time itself. This is where the story gets wild. Those 4 little points of light around the central galaxy, they are all the same quasar. We're not seeing 4 different objects, we're seeing one. But why? Because the quasar's light takes 4 different paths around the lensing galaxy. Each path is a different distance. Each path travels through a different amount of warped spacetime. And that means something incredible. We are seeing 4 different moments in time all at once. The Einstein Cross is a cosmic time machine, a natural multi-view of history. Some images show light that arrived earlier. Others show light arriving later. Even tiny flickers or flares from the quasar appear at different times in each of the 4 images. It's like watching one event from 4 different timelines. Imagine seeing 4 different versions of the same sunset, each one delayed by a different number of minutes. That's what astronomers see when they look at the Einstein Cross, a window into dark matter. But the Einstein Cross isn't only beautiful, it's revealing secrets we could never uncover otherwise. Gravitational lensing lets scientists map the invisible. The foreground galaxy contains huge amounts of dark matter, mysterious mass that doesn't emit light, but it does bend light. By analyzing how the quasar's light is distorted, delayed, and magnified, astronomers can trace the dark matter within the lensing galaxy like paint flowing over invisible hills and valleys. The Einstein Cross literally outlines the hidden skeleton of the universe. Each of the 4 images experiences tiny fluctuations in brightness. These flickers act like fingerprints, revealing how dark matter is arranged deep inside the galaxy. No other telescope trick lets us peer into the invisible quite like this. So this one quasar, this one alignment, this one cosmic coincidence has become one of the most powerful tools for studying dark matter in existence. The quasar behind the curtain. Let's talk about the source itself, the brilliant engine that powers this cosmic masterpiece. A quasar is created when a supermassive black hole consumes matter. As gas spirals inward at near light speed, it heats up to incredible temperatures, so hot that it emits more energy than entire galaxies. The quasar behind the Einstein Cross is over 8 billion light years away. It's light left before our sun formed, before Earth formed, before our solar system even existed. Think about that. This quasar erupted long before life began on our planet. In that light, those photons spent billions of years traveling across the universe. If our position in space were just a tiny bit different, even a fraction of a degree, we wouldn't see the Einstein Cross at all. It's a cosmic alignment so precise, it almost feels intentional. Einstein was more right than anyone imagined. Einstein himself believed gravitational lensing would be almost impossible to observe. He called it a curiosity, something unlikely to ever be seen. Today, it's one of the most powerful tools in astrophysics. The Einstein Cross isn't merely a pretty arrangement of lights. It's proof, direct proof, that space-time bends and warps exactly as Einstein predicted. It proves that gravity can act like a lens, light can be stretched, delayed, and magnified, space itself is flexible, time can be offset by curvature, and the universe is anything but simple. Every point of light you see in the night sky may have taken a twisted path to reach your eyes. Every galaxy could be a distorted image of something behind it. Every corner of the cosmos might be holding multiple versions of a single object, bent and rearranged by invisible structures across spacetime. The Einstein Cross is just one example. There are likely thousands, maybe millions, waiting to be discovered. The Einstein Cross is more than an astronomical curiosity. It's a cosmic signature, a reminder that the universe is a masterpiece woven from gravity, time, and light. A single quasar shining across billions of years, split into 4 perfect points by the warped fabric of spacetime, revealing invisible structures, testing the limits of physics, and proving that our universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember this. You're not just seeing light. You're seeing time itself, bent, stretched, and transformed by the universe's invisible architecture. And somewhere in that vast darkness, the Einstein Cross continues to shine. A cosmic illusion reminding us that reality is far more flexible than it appears.